Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V23. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, tap Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Tap Next and agree and continue. Go back, enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy with a high of 56 and a low of 43.
If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.